Straight Talk phones are typically locked for 60 days to prevent fraud. If your phone isn't unlocked automatically, first verify your account is in good standing with no unpaid balances or flags. Use the Straight Talk app released in 2024 or website to check your unlock eligibility and submit a request with your IMEI. If problems persist, call Straight Talk support at 1-800-675-4255. If calling, document the date and time of the call along with who you spoke to and what the outcome of the call was. Common causes for delays include billing errors and system glitches, but recent AI improvements have reduced resolution times. Make sure to have the IMEI number of your phone handy. If your Straight Talk phone remains locked after contacting customer support, escalate the issue. Ask to speak with a supervisor during your call. File a complaint on the FCC's website, referencing your complaint ID in communications. Seek help on forums like Reddit's r/Straight Talk or Howard Forums. Email Straight Talk's corporate support if available. Many users have found success through persistence and documentation of all interactions. For refurbished devices, providing purchase receipts and IMEI proof to Verizon's corporate line may expedite the process.